Hi, this is the Food Whisperer and welcome to my channel. And please, show your support by hitting the subscription button below. Are you a fan of instant noodles? If you are, let me know what your favorite is in the comment section below. As for me, I have always had a weakness for 짜파게티 or Korean instant black bean noodles. But even with your favorite, sometimes you want to take it in a completely new direction, and I want to show you how you can transform the humble 짜파게티 into something new and unexpected, namely Korean butter garlic noodles. Of course, you don't need to use this particular brand shown on the video, and any Korean instant black bean noodles will do, as long as the black bean is in powder form. Simply follow the instructions provided when it comes to the amount of water to use and length of cooking time. Now for this dish we are making today, all that you need are the noodles and the black bean powder. Anything else that you find in the packaging like oil or dehydrated vegetables can be discarded, as we will not be using them in this recipe. Of course, you can use the dehydrated vegetables if you like, but I think this dish tastes much better without. Also, mince some garlic at this time, 1 or 2 cloves, depending on your preference. It really is up to you. And start sauteing it with some melted butter. A large knob or 1 tablespoon should suffice. As you can see here, you can also add some chili flakes for some heat, but this is completely optional. I just happen to be a spice fiend. Let the minced garlic cook in the butter for a few minutes on low heat. You want to fully soften the garlic, and a bit of browning of the garlic is okay, but not necessary. Now back to the noodles. Once the noodles are nicely al dente, turn off the heat. But before you drain all of the water, scoop out 3 ladles and pour them into the small bowl with the black bean powder. Mix well so that the powder dissolves fully. To this, add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and mix. Once fully mixed, pour this into the pan with the butter and garlic and start reducing on high heat. As the sauce reduces, there will be some caramelization, but this is exactly what you want, as this means flavor intensification, and so continue to reduce for a minute or 2. However, you do not want the sauce to become too thick or too syrupy, and so please keep an eye on the pan. Once it is at this consistency or so that you see here on your screen, turn off the heat and pour this sauce immediately over the cooked noodles. Not necessary, but I would recommend that you add some thinly sliced cucumbers to the noodles as well, assuming you like cucumbers. Not only will this add some color to your Korean butter garlic noodles, but the fresh cucumbers provide a nice contrast to both the soft texture of the noodles and the richness of the butter garlic sauce. Please give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Hopefully you and your family will enjoy this simple but delicious Korean snack as much as we do. This is the Food Whisperer. Thank you for watching and wishing you good food and good company until we meet again.